In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Emergent AI to build billing app. We'll walk through turning a single prompt into a working mobile billing and invoice manager with customer and product management, invoice generation, PDF export, payment tracking, reports, authentication, and a PostgreSQL database. I'll explain what to click, what to type, and how to handle questions from the builder so you get a clean, predictable result. Start by opening the Emergent app in your browser. On the home screen, look for the mobile app option. Selecting mobile app ensures the system scaffolds screens, navigation, and data flows designed for phones and tablets. Once you're in, click into the prompt area. This is where you describe the app in plain English. The clearer and more specific you are here, the better Emergent can design your data models, API calls, and UI. Now type your request exactly and concisely. A strong example is build a modern billing and invoice management system with customer management, product management, invoice generation, PDF export, payment tracking, reports, authentication, and PostgreSQL database. This phrasing tells Emergent what entities to create, which features to wire up, and which database to target. If you want to keep things predictable, avoid vague terms. Listing concrete features like PDF export and reports helps the builder generate the right views and actions from the start. Before sending, choose any attachments in the model. Attachments can provide context, such as a sample invoice PDF you want to mirror, a logo for branding, or a CSV of example products and customers. These aren't required, but they help the AI infrastructure and style. Then pick the model that fits your balance of speed and quality. A more capable model often yields better schema design and cleaner UI flows, while lighter models respond faster. If you're unsure, choose the recommended default. Click Send or press Enter. You'll see Emergent begin assembling the project, creating tables for customers, products, invoices, and payments, and wiring screens for creating, listing, and viewing details. Keep the tab open and let it work. During generation, Emergent may ask clarifying questions, like preferred currency format, invoice numbering rules, or authentication method. You can type your answers or use the auto answer option to let the system pick sensible defaults. Read each prompt carefully and avoid sharing any sensitive data. If loading feels slow, that's normal for larger builds. Give it several minutes and avoid navigating away. Once it completes, your mobile billing app is ready to explore with the requested features in place. That's all you need to get from prompt to a functional billing application with Emergent AI.